Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for February 14, 2024, featuring a Valentine's evening Jupiter-Moon conjunction. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:48 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 5:22 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, brilliant Venus shines from low in the east-southeast before sunrise. At 45 minutes before daybreak, the morning star is over 5 degrees above the horizon, likely behind a neighborhood obstruction. Find a clear horizon in the planet's direction. Venus is slowly moving toward a solar conjunction on June 4. Unlike most other celestial bodies, it can be seen when it is close to the horizon and during brighter twilight. It is easily tracked until mid-spring. Venus is overtaking Mars, that continues to emerge from bright sunlight. At 30 minutes before daybreak and through a binocular, Venus is 3.7 degrees to the upper right of the red planet. Mars is dimmer than expected. Place Venus toward the upper right of the field of view. Mars is to the lower left. Venus passes Mars on the 22nd. Mercury is bathed in bright sunlight as it moves toward superior conjunction on the 28th. At this time, the Sun is between the speedy planet and Earth. Mercury is heading toward its best evening appearance of the year for Northern Hemisphere sky watchers. On March 24, it sets at the end of evening twilight. At 45 minutes after sundown, the innermost planet stands nearly 10 degrees up in the west and over 20 degrees to the lower right of Jupiter. In the evening sky, Saturn is at solar conjunction on the same day as Mercury. This evening the ringed wonder is dimmed and blurred by the atmosphere. When looking for Saturn, planet's light travels through a thicker layer of air, challenging our view. Don't miss this evening's Jupiter-Moon conjunction in the southwestern sky after sundown. 1 hour after nightfall, the lunar crescent, 32% illuminated, is over halfway up in the sky, 4.6 degrees to the lower right of Jupiter. With the Pleiades star cluster to the upper left, this is a picturesque view. The moon may show some earthshine, a soft light between the lunar cusps or horns from sunlight reflected from Earth's features. The moon is bright enough to illuminate terrestrial features to cast shadows. Jupiter and the moon appear in the same binocular field of view. Hold the binocular steadily to see up to 4 of Jupiter's largest moons. At 6:34 p.m. CST, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is visible through a telescope at the center of the planet in the southern hemisphere. Jupiter's large moon Europa is visible near the planet's eastern edge or limb. About an hour later, the red spot is disappearing near the west edge of the planet and Europa is silhouetted against the center of Jupiter. By 8:30 p.m., Europa is visible against the sky, but its shadow is projected against the planet. At this hour, the planet is about 30 degrees up in the west for Chicago area sky watchers, higher from locales farther westward. During the next few hours, watch the shadow slowly move across the dynamic cloud features as the planet sets in the west-northwest, at about the same time the moon sets. Tomorrow evening, the nearly half-full moon is between Jupiter and the Pleiades star cluster and in the same binocular field with planet Uranus. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.